Pregnant Margot Robbie as bumping along as she was joined by fellow A-lister Bradley Cooper and Gigi Hadid aboard a $250 million superyacht in Nerano, Italy. The 34-year-old Barbie star, who has been joined by celeb pals aboard the luxury vessel, in recent days showcased her burgeoning baby belly in a black bandeau top on the ship called Multiverse. She also sported black trousers and a long white duster coat. Margot donned her signature blonde locks down in waves as she showcased her natural looks by wearing complimentary makeup. Her hunky husband Tom Eckerle was also aboard the boat, as the two shared a few sweet kisses. Gigi looked absolutely stunning in a grey sleeveless dress which accentuated her model figure. The blonde stunner accessorized with a pair of white designer shades and dangling earrings. Her blonde locks were worn down and tucked behind her ear as she took in the ocean breeze. Bradley kept his look simple in a black short sleeve button down with matching sunglasses. Also seen on the boat was 7-year-old daughter Leah, whom he shares with ex-and supermodel Irina Shayk. The group of celebrities disembarked the luxury cruiser in order to grab local cuisine from Amalfi Coast favorite restaurant Los Oglio. The super yacht Multiverse is a 350-feet, 160-meter yacht which was launched by from Clavin Maritime AS from Norway in 2018 and is thought to be the 15th biggest yacht in the world. The yacht can cater for up to 30 guests in 15 cabins, while also being capable of carrying up to 36 crew on board to ensure a relaxed luxury yacht experience. The stars have been seen aboard the luxury vessel over the past few days, including an outing where Bradley and Gigi could not keep their lips off one another. The pair were first romantically linked last year in October. Last Thursday, the couple reached a milestone in their relationship when Hadid was spotted for the first time with Leah as they touched down in Sardinia, with the actor mother Gloria also joining the group. They stepped out of a sleek black SUV together after arriving to the island of Palmarola on a private jet. At the time, Margot was seen already spending time on the lavish yacht with her husband Tom. She proudly showed off her growing baby bump in a black bikini after it was confirmed last month that the pair are expecting their first child together. And on Saturday, the Barbie actress was spotted once again as she joined Bradley and Gigi on the large boat. The mother-to-be showcased her burgeoning stomach in a black bikini top as well as a short-sleeve black outer piece that was unfastened at the front. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.